Hit or miss happens in fractions of seconds or inches. When it comes to your equipment, the whole really is greater than the sum of its parts. Every system component has to deliver. It has to work and work together.
We started Unity with the idea that better systems integration could make a huge difference for the end user. We opted to innovate in the gaps and solve problems that no one else was tackling. That meant never shying away from taking on industry standards if we thought a redesign could make it better.
At Unity, that's how it's always been done isn't an excuse, it's an invitation. We challenge the assumption, we ask why, and then we obsess over how we can make it faster, safer, lighter, more durable, or taller. And then we turn these ideas into elite equipment that's mission critical to the most discerning professionals and enthusiasts out there, in the line of duty or on the range.
At Unity Tactical, we design down to the detail with uncompromising quality. We stand by what we do with integrity, and we never forget who our products are made for.
To serve the best of the best, we're constantly advancing our capabilities, better processes, absolute quality control, and expanding our footprint globally. To fully integrate systems and give them an edge, we collaborate with top-tier brands across the industry. That gives us solution sets that aren't just about what Unity designs, but also incorporate what innovative partners bring to the table. At the end of the day, we lead with a people-first mindset because everything we build comes down to how a user thinks and reacts in high-stress environments. Our goal is to make the human element of shooting easier, delivering a Tier 1 product our end users can depend on for peak performance.
We continue to operate with the founding culture of innovation and drive. We're still challenging the status quo and anticipating what's next.
Platforms are expanding, technology is advancing. Our team wants to be at the forefront of the next-gen comprehensive capability set. That doesn't just mean innovating within our own four walls. It means working alongside the industry's best to design and manufacture quality products worthy of the end user. We're always setting our sights on what's ahead because at Unity, we aim higher.